Lana. My name's Sebastian.
My name is Lou. Today I have Frank. He's been called number 1.
Today I have Smokey's Tractor Challenge Playset. It comes with Lightning McQueen. Here's the front. Here's the back.
Here's the front of my box. Here's the back of my box, and it comes with Frank.
We're gonna open them, build them, and have some fun. Well, we're gonna build mine, and then I'm gonna open mine for you. Okay, let's get started. Let's open them and build them and have some fun.
Today we're gonna start with Frank.
Open it up. Whoa, that hit my box. It's time to open the Smokey's Tractor Challenge Playset. Let's open it. This is awesome. Smokey's Tractor Challenge Racetrack. Let me show you the track. It comes with a spinner and these tractors go around. Let me show you how it works. It goes like you spin it around. You spin the tractor and Lightning McQueen got to go in the middle of it. You have to make sure that he goes in the middle and go through the store. And it also comes with a launcher that you push this button down and then Lightning McQueen launches. And it tries to go to the middle and you go through the door and now it's safe. And this is the big speedway. Let me show you how this track works. So spin round. And then you pull Lightning McQueen on the launcher and then you have to make sure it goes through these tractors. Boom, I did it! And that's how it works. It's time for challenge number 1. This is race through. There's Frank. Lightning McQueen. You did it! Now let's try Jackson's store. Let's try cruise. Okay, spin it. Spin it more. Now let's try this Lightning McQueen.
Rusty Center Lightning McQueen.
Rusty Center Lightning. Oops. Oh. Oh, this is really hard.
show how it works.
Spin it. Then flip it. Missed it.
Maybe make it.
No!
So close. Turn it. But one at the back of it.
Try for this one again.
Go.
No!
Oh, spin with them.
No, spin with them. No! Yeah! Did it? Now let's try this one. Go!
Rain! Oh, yeah!
I just made two.
I'm winning.
Oh! Five point!
Whoa.
Okay, last one. Last chance. See if you can make it. No! Two. Child number 3 is jump over. Let's try it. My brother's gonna start first this time. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Good job. Did you make it this time?
Yeah, I did.
Woohoo! High five! Hey guys, it's my turn. It's my turn to try it.
Hey, did you make it? No. Okay. Oh, no.
Ah! Do I try to do this now?
Did you make it?
Yes!
No.
I did it!
No.
Yes! I got 3 points now! I got 3 points now!
Hey, did you make it? Get it.
It's a tie, Leo. It's a tie.
Yes!
Yes!
Hey, did you make it in?
Yes!
Hey, did you make it in?
I have 5 points now. Come on. We can make it a tie. What? Did I make it? Yes! You have 4 points!
That didn't make it. You just went over it. I want to.
No! Hey guys, thanks for watching. This was the Smokey Tractor Challenge Playset. Make sure you like and subscribe. My name's Sebastian.
Make sure to